record, share my screen. Amazing. Okay, perfect. Okay, so guys, as you know, I've been kind of busy the last couple of weeks, and I didn't, how can I say, I didn't do any like Zoom, but as you know, I always want to teach you as much as I can. I want to provide you value. So today we're gonna go to the different the different trades that we have taken during this week, and then we're gonna talk about what's going on currently on the market. So as you know, this week I sent around 5 trades. I mean, one that I don't really count because I got into a sell position on EURUSD. So let me just see about the days. We are the 9th of April. Okay, yeah. So from the 2nd of April, boom, 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 boom. So I wanted to get into a buy position. So this was Euro USD. And as you can see, I said I'm getting into a buy position on Euro USD. But the market was moving weird. So as you can see, I sent it at 2:09 a.m. in Dubai time, which is 11 p.m. UK time when the market just opened 1 hour later. And I said close, okay, which was, yeah, as you can see, 23 minutes after, because I wasn't feeling the trade and things we closed it because it literally broke the trend. So it wasn't a good trade. Yeah, that's it for EURUSD. Then after I said USDCHF, we're getting ready for tomorrow. So the pair was pushing. We had it was kind of ranging between the resistance and the support, okay, on the daily and on the weekly. It's not moving because we don't have a specific trend. And so what I did was, let's wait for the market to hit the trend to get into a short. And you can see it started going up, start pushing and hit the trend. We had the trend. We could do like the translation, other resistance. We had kind of dodgy. We had the stochastic correlation next to the resistance, so it was matching. So we got into a short position, and as you can see, I'm getting into a short position on USDCHF. I said at 10:53 a.m., a couple minutes after we closed. And if we look at the chart, what happened since that, let's see what happened, because I want to talk about it. USDCHF on the 15, sorry. You can see that, bro, it went all the way down to the support. So from here, it went down by 184 pips during the week. Now, some of you are telling me, Switzy, but how do we set up to take profit 1, take profit 2? Guys, it's very, 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 very simple. Okay, let me explain to you. So you are on the 4 hour, okay, then you go on the 1 hour and you're looking at weak support that the market already hit. So for example, some kind of fake support you could identify is here, then you had another one here, then yeah, you just go like this, and that would be your TP1, okay, this black line. Then the second black line, TP2, that would be your second take profit. And as you can see, every time goes on, hit it, then the retest, breaks it, almost retest, and then break it. That would be your TP3 here. TP3. Okay, and so basically every single time what you have to do is always to go on the lower time frame and just try to understand what's going on, where are the weak support, and you can do exactly the same thing if you're buying in a bullish trend. Here is good to do that because we are selling in a bearish trend, so it's going to keep going down. But if you would buy in a bullish if you would buy in a bearish trend, you can't do the strategy I was showing you right now. Okay, so you need to be very careful. Now, for the TP1, TP2, TP3, so that was the first trade we took on USDCHF, which was very good. I also had some more swing position here. I always show you like the scalp position I'm taking or the day trade, but yeah, a very interesting trade on USDCHF that worked out. Then after, so 2 days later, I had a trade on GBPUSD. So it was a quick scalp, okay, because everyone is saying, yeah, USD is getting weaker, blah, 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 because of, I don't know if you have seen, but you should document yourself about, wait, let me just, meanwhile I'm talking about this. you should like document yourself and learn about the market and what's going on. But basically, a lot of countries in Asia, which are like developing a lot, don't want to like relate on the USD anymore. So they're backing their currencies with gold and everything, which is making them very reliable. So personally, not personally, but like in general, the market is kind of bullish, okay, on the yen pairs, and it's gonna be bearish about the USD. So that's why GBPUSD, it was a kind of risky trade. Let me share again my screen. Share my screen. Boom. Oh, thanks God I didn't open my file. But yeah, basically here it was a very quick scalp we did on GBPUSD. This is not a financial, short-term sales. And as you can see, we just held it over the night when it was going down, and we made some profits of $5 for me. And now we're gonna analyze GBPUSD. So yeah, it's good because when we look at the chart now, you can see that USDCHF, there is nothing to do. As you can see, we're in the middle of nowhere, so there is absolutely nothing to do. It's better to wait. Now about GBPUSD, if we go, so you can see we went on the, what was the time frame we got into? Okay, it was on daily, yeah. But it hit it. No, where was it? Yeah, third. Yeah, we sent third. Yeah, that was third. Yeah, you see, it's 2 a.m. here. That's why. But like this is like based on the UK time. But basically, we were here. We got the short. Basically, I knew the resistance would break because, as you can see, anyway, we had like a bullish trend that got to break out. Then we have a kind of new bullish trend. So I knew it would break up. And as I told you, because of everything going up, USD is getting weaker. Oh my God, someone is playing with the screen. Annoté, dessiner. How can I? How do I? Every time I forget, but like, okay, how can I stop people from? Okay, perfect. Now people can't be writing anymore. But yeah, basically we got the quick scalp right here, got into the shore, took the money, and we left it. Okay, because this resistance was kind of strong even in the past, as you can see. This is why I got into resistance hit, boom, resistance hit, boom. Here it was broken, but I knew we could potentially get into a short position, a quick scalp in and out, because this resistance was a major one, very powerful. This is why I got into this pair on GBPUSD, made my money. Then nothing. Then we had a trade on EURUSD. So EURUSD, we got in at what time? At midnight here. And yeah, it was like a profit. We closed at 11 a.m. Then we closed it because the market was kind of slow. But basically, if we go back to the daily, sorry. No, the trade was sent in which time frame? 4 hours. Sorry, my bad. 4 hour. It was here, went up, closed because it wasn't moving fast, and we closed and then broke it. Trends on the 4 hour chart are easily broken. So when you use them to get into a trade, it's better like to be in a quick scalp in and out. So yeah, that was the trade. And then we had this last trade on NZDUSD, which was also good. NZDUSD. So we had the trend, we got here, got into the buy, took the money we had to take, then closed and retesting with the trend. And yeah, at the moment, I wouldn't be trading NZD/USD because I can't find like the proper trend, okay? And we're in the middle, so it's better to not trade NZD/USD. But yeah, guys, as you can see, this week we sent 4 trades, and I mean 5 trade if you take your USD, but like the market wasn't really moving, so I'm not even considering as a loss. But yeah, we sent 4 trades for winning, and this is the thing is normally we don't have that many trades, yeah. But this week we got lucky. So now, yeah, NZD/USD nothing to do, GBPUSD nothing to do, EURUSD also nothing to do. USD CAD, is there something to do? Yeah, some people could potentially get into a short position. Same thing. So why do I have these kind of fake resistance and support here, which is like support and resistance, support and resistance? Because I was on USD CAD on the daily time frame finding a short, like a bullish bearish trend, a bullish bearish trend, got hit. I got into a short, and so my take profit 1, take profit 2. Then as you can see, it's rejecting the take profit 3. So it could be a potential sell, you know, on USD CAD. I'm gonna see tonight how the market open, how it's moving. But yeah, USD CAD could be a potential sell. NZDCHF, what's going on with that pair? Ooh, NZDCHF is kinda, I can't lie, it's interesting. It's very interesting, but the thing is, you see here, even though it rejected, like if you want to put the proper stop loss, bro, your stop loss has to be like massive, you know, at least you have 40 pips. And so you see, for example, you're gonna put like a stop loss of 40 pips, but if you want to have a good risk reward, you should have 80 pips here. So if you're looking for 80 pips, I mean, it should like retrace all the way to the trend, which isn't even a trend anymore because it got broken here. So getting into a buy on NZDCHF right now is more like a gamble. This is why I would like rather have USD CAD on my watch list and be okay, listen. But then on daily, as you can see, it's not oversold, so getting into a short position is kind of risky. If you go on the 4-hour, yes, but then on the other side, when you counterbalance, you are selling into a bearish trend. So if you do a really small position, you can handle like 327 pips down. Yeah, but then you need to look for way more pips down. So yeah, even USD CAD is not the best entry because we have a kind of wedge zone which is matching right here, bullish and bearish. Once you see one of them, we're shorting. If it's hitting to bearish one, if it's hitting to bullish, we're buying. But yeah, at the moment, I wouldn't be trading anything because as you can see, some weeks we have like a lot of opportunities, a lot of things to trade, and sometimes we absolutely have nothing to trade. And everything is about being patient, you know. Some weeks there is something to trade, some weeks there are absolutely nothing to trade. And this is how you become like profitable in the industry. It's not like you are running after like trades. Oh, yeah, I want to trade, I want to trade. No, it's not like this. If there is something to trade, we're gonna trade it. If there is nothing to trade, we're not gonna trade. So why would I like try to gamble or like just throw away my money? I prefer like to go and waste my money with my friends that into the market. So yeah, at the moment, oh yeah, I heard some people, they wanted my opinion about gold. So gold can be interesting. So we have a kind of like bullish trend right here. Yeah, as you can see. So if it goes all the way down, and look, it's an interesting level right here because it's kind of resistance support. So yeah, if gold, oh, sorry. Yeah, if gold hit the support, it might be an interesting position for a couple. Oh, you don't see my screen, sorry. You're not seeing my screen. Yeah. So yeah, I was saying gold, it's a bullish trend. So buying in a bullish trend is good. We're close to a support, we're close to a trend. The stochastic is already oversold. So I think it's gonna keep pushing. Once it hit the support, I might get into a proper buy position. And yeah, that's the thing. You need to be patient. That's the main secret for trading. Like, if you can't be like patient, like, bro, you're gonna lose your money. Your emotions are getting like, you're gonna get confused. So honestly, don't do that. GBPUSD, what my thought about it? Yeah, you see nothing. It's bullish, but at the moment we're too far from the trend. So there is absolutely nothing to do. So better be patient, wait for it, and once it hit the trend, as every time I tell you, the main secret for trading, there are two rules you should understand. The first one is that you need to be patient. Okay, you don't try to beat the market. The market is stronger than you. So if you're trying like to find opportunity, you think you're the god, you're gonna lose your money. That's the first rule. Don't try to invent or fight the market. You're not gonna win. Second thing that you should do, it's pretty simple. Use a proper risk management. Don't like risk more than 2 or 3% per trade if you want to be sustainable. If you're here to make quick money in and out, yeah, okay, that's good. But in general, you shouldn't be doing that. So yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. And yeah, let me know on Instagram, send me a DM, tell me if you like it, if you don't like it. If you have any questions, there is also on the, yeah, because some of you don't understand, but in the Telegram, there is like a support number to help you. You can see here. For any question, please contact. So you just press Switzerland support and it's gonna open the chat with you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next Sunday for your next YouTube video. Peace out.